Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a real quick look at this CURT TruTrack 2-point weight distribution system with sway control. Now this system is going to help create a more stable ride for your tow vehicle and your trailer. Adding spring bars to your towing system is going to apply leverage, which is going to transfer the load that is pushing down on the rear of your vehicle to all the axles on both your tow vehicle and your trailer. So as you can see there by that image that I have there on your screen, you see the setup there on the left hand side. That's going to be what it's going to look like typically without a weight distribution hitch. All of that weight of your trailer is going to be pushing down on the back of your tow vehicle. But as you can see with the image on the right hand side, that's what it's going to look like with a weight distribution hitch that is set properly in place, where it's going to evenly distribute that weight throughout. So the result of an even weight distribution is going to be a smoother, more level ride, as well as the ability to tow the maximum capacity of your trailer hitch receiver. Now this does have an integrated 2-point sway control system that's going to limit that side-to-side movement of your trailer, and these brackets are going to keep the spring bars in place for a more rigid system that's going to hold your trailer in line, and the steel-on-steel friction is going to help minimize sway caused by winds and sudden maneuvers. So this is designed for your 2-inch trailer hitch receiver that's rated for use with a weight distribution system. As you can see there, the tongue weight range is going to be from 500 to 800 pounds, and the maximum gross towing weight is 8,000 pounds. Now the tongue weight rating is the most important factor in determining the size weight distribution system that you should use, which size of system you should use rather. So if the bars of the system that you choose are rated too high for your setup, that's going to create a rigid ride, which can result in a trailer that's bouncing. If on the other hand the bars are not rated high enough, then the system is going to be unable to properly distribute the weight, rendering it virtually useless. So to determine the proper weight rating for a weight distribution system, you must first determine your trailer's tongue weight, and then add to that weight the cargo behind the rear axle of your tow vehicle. Those two measurements are going to make up the tongue weight rating for a weight distribution system. So just kind of giving you a closer view here so you can see it from a different angle here. The desired tilt is going to be easily achieved with this system with the pivot point on the system head. So as you can see, you're going to be able to tilt this the way that you need it. Let me go back to my wide view here real quick. You might be able to see that a little bit better. So you're going to get that tilt. It's going to work best for you, and then you can lock that angle into place with the included hardware here. So it's going to be very easy to get that tilt that you're looking for. And then this doesn't use washers or anything like that, so it's going to be very simple to get that tilt locked into place. This shank is 7 holes, and the shank itself measures overall height-wise is about 9.5 inches. And then that shank is going to give you a maximum drop of about 1/2 inch, and then when you flip that shank over, a maximum rise of about 6 inches. And the holes here are spaced right at about 1.25 inches apart on center. Now these no drill clamp-on brackets are going to mount directly to your trailer frame, and these are going to work with a trailer frame with a maximum height of 6 inches and a maximum width of 4 inches. And then these spring bars are going to work with these brackets to transfer the tongue weight evenly to your tow vehicle. They are constructed of forged steel, and they're going to secure in the system here, the system head rather, with these easy-to-use snap-in pins. So when I'm ready to disconnect these bars from the head, I'll just push this down, and that'll allow me to easily remove the bars. So this is going to be a relatively easy system to get set up. This does feature a black carbide powder coat finish, so not only does the system look good, I think it's going to hold up really well for you. It's going to do a great job of fighting against rust and corrosion. And this does include everything that you see here. It includes this snap-up handle to get the bars into place into the brackets here. But obviously it includes a head assembly. That ball is a 2 5/16 inch ball. And it also includes the shank that we talked about that's going to slide into your 2-inch receiver, the spring bars, and the sway control brackets, and we mentioned the ball, the pins, and the clips. Basically everything that you're going to need to get this in place, along with instructions. It's a great set of instructions to help you get set up and going down the road. Now, if you do pick this system up, we would love to hear back from you regarding how everything is working out for you. And you can share your experiences with us by dropping a comment or leaving a review on this product page. If you leave a comment, you can actually share photos. If you leave a review, you can actually share photos in that review. And we would actually love to see this with your setup in use. So you can definitely share photos with us when you leave a review. But if you happen to have any other additional questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, shoot us an email, send us a chat, because we want to make sure that you're getting exactly what you want and need. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.